Hello, my name is Carol and welcome back to Infraspeak Academy. During this module's videos, I'll be guiding you through the process of configuring, scheduling, executing, and reporting your preventive maintenance. Our main goal is for you to understand how to set up, execute, and get data from your maintenance plans. Along the way, we will provide you with some small tips and use case scenarios for you to use once you start exploring Infraspeak. This module is divided into 4 different videos. The first one will briefly explain how to translate a maintenance contract into Infraspeak by showing you how to add tasks, interventions, and measurements to the already created maintenance categories. The second video, we will focus on how to schedule your preventive maintenance by explaining the planned job's workflow and how to create it. The third video will provide you with information on how to execute a planned job and its following actions. The last, but definitely not the least important video, will provide insights on how to access and extract data regarding your preventive maintenance, enabling you to manage your own KPIs. So, by the end of this module, it's expected that you're not only able to create your preventive maintenance tasks, interventions, measurements, and planned jobs, but that you're also able to collect information that's relevant for your operations after executing your maintenance activities. If you want to start excelling at Infraspeak's Preventive Maintenance app, tune into the next video. And as always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.